Okay, we have to continue with that section A. So can you open up that section A? Right, let's see. Maths for science. What year? 16, 17?
17.
Oh, 17, 18. What number? Oh, I mean, what question did we stop on?
Either A9 or A10. We definitely solved the 8.
Yeah, I think we're continuing from A9, isn't it?
I'm not sure if we did it or not.
No, we did. We did do A. We did A8, didn't we? I thought we did.
Yeah.
We did do A9. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah. Okay. A9. Can you see okay? Yeah. So you have to integrate 3x minus 1 sine x dx. We know the story here. F is 3x minus 1. F derivative is 3. G derivative is sine x. And G? Very good. Minus cos x. Very good. So this is equal to F G minus F derivative, which is 3, G, which is minus cos x, isn't it? So we're left with our answer. Our answer is 1 minus 3x cos x plus 3 sine x plus c. Okay, that was number 9. Yeah.
So but that's only 3 marks. Where was the mark?
Well, 1 mark for that for sure. I say it might be something like that.
But let's say you missed the plus C. You just simply.
I think you think you would lose the whole mark, yeah. Okay, can we have a look at A10 now? Yeah? No? Yeah? Yeah. A10? Yeah? Okay, A10. Right, so A10, you have y equals root 24x squared plus 2, and you want the volume if you rotate this between a half and 3 over 2. So here you put y squared. But y squared is 24x squared plus 2. So what would that be? That would be 24 over 3. What's that? 8x cubed plus 2x, and the limits are a half and 3 over 2. If you put in 3 over 2, and then you put in a half. So what do we get here? That would be 27 plus 3 minus 1 minus 1. Is that right? Is it 28? 28.
So it's just like the end of semester one where if we're done with the paper we can ask for more, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Have you got that? Yeah? Sophia, Sabrina, question? Okay. Can I scroll down to 11? Yeah? Okay, 11 now. So, A11. A and B are events such that not A is 0.52, which by the way would mean that A is 0.48. Not B is 0.16, so by the way that would mean B is 0.84. A intersect B is 0.42. So the first thing they ask you for is what is the probability of A union B? And you know the formula, that's PA plus PB minus PA intersect B. So what's that? 0.48 plus 0.84 minus that should have been a 0.42 minus 0.42. 0.9? 0.9. And then lastly, they ask for probability of A given B. That's probability of A intersect B. Oh, no, sorry, I just wrote the answer's right, I just wrote my symbols backwards here. The one here was union, and this is intersection. Okay. PA and B over PB. Maybe that's what I did write down. Smart. I had it right. Well, it's in red now. Right. PA intersect B is 0.42 and PB is 0.84. So what's that, 0.5? Yeah, so 0.5 and 0.90. Got that? What confused me a little bit about this question was I was surprised that the answer from the first part wasn't needed for the answer for the second part. It just seemed a bit odd to me. Okay, yeah. 12 now. So in number 12 you have N is 64 rods and their average is 19.6, is it? Oh no, this one's a bit peculiar, yeah. You have 64 rods and they don't tell you what the average is. So You know the formula for the confidence interval is mu plus or minus 1.96 sigma over root n. So at the lower end you have mu minus 1.96 sigma over root n, and at the upper end you have mu plus 1.96 sigma over root n. And all they tell you is the n, and they also tell you the width. And by the width, what they mean is the difference between the upper answer and the lower answer. So this minus this would give me this. If this bracket minus this bracket gives me that, because the mu's cancel, and you have two of these. And they tell us that this is equal to 19.6, and they also tell us that the n is 64. So root 64 is 8. And 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 8 4 times. I can bring my 4 up here. 1.96 goes into 1.96 once, and 1.96 goes into 19.6 10 times. So they chose the numbers, so you don't even need a calculator. Sigma is 40.
Seems like too much work
For 3 marks? Yeah. Maybe it should have been 4 marks. 3, no, I don't think three's okay. Okay, let's have a look at B1. So, will we take turns at doing the section B questions? So, I can give you a few minutes to do B1. I think you'll all do B1 pretty quickly because I'm looking at here, part A is simultaneous equations, that's fine. Part B is remainder theorem, I think that's okay. Part C is geometric, and part D is arithmetic. So I don't think it'll take you too long to do B1. I'll give you maybe 10 minutes or so, and then we can have a look at the answers.